Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Iris Arrington. This is Ideally Simple Decor. I am going to make a coffee table slash bench sort of piece of furniture for my mom. And this is to surprise her. She's got some albums. Those of you that's in my era remember what albums are. Some records. And she has some she has some CDs that she wants to store and some DVDs that she wants to store. So I'm trying to surprise her and make her a bench. What I have is two pieces of wood that is a 24 by 15 and a half piece of wood, and I got this out of. This piece came out of Home Depot. Then I have, that's for my ends. I have two of those for my ends. This is a piece for my side, and this is a 31 by 12. And this 3 inches. Excuse me, not 3 inches, but 3 feet. This is 24 by 36, I believe. I've got my brackets, which I'm going to use just to secure it just a little bit more. This is going to be my fabric I'm going to put over top of it. I'm going to use pillows for the cushion on the top of the bench, and my, not brackets, but these are my wheels I'm going to put on the end, at the bottom. Possibility. I might not put them on there, but this is what I'm thinking. I want something that she can just move around easily. And these are my hinges. So I've got 2 hinges, and these are 3.5 inch hinges. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put hinges on the big piece here and the side piece. That way I can close and open without any issues. So let's get the plastic off this and get started. So the other thing that I have is my drill and my screws. So I need that. I need those things. So I'm going to put this over here to one side. I'm going to open my pack with my hinges in it. All right. So I want my hinge to be on the inside. I want it to sit on my piece. Okay, hold on. Let me make sure you can see that a little better than that. Side, get my pencil out. Got my hinge out. And this is the piece that the top piece is going to attach to, and this is a side. It's the long side. What I'm going to do is mark my hinge where I want them. Come on. Try to get a neutral color hinge. I didn't get the gold one. And I'm going to put my hinges in about maybe about 3 inches from the edge. So I've got my board standing up flush to the top board. This is my sideboard. And then I've got the hinges laying here so that they are in the right spot. Let me turn this hinge around. There we go. Now this is just standing here. It's not attached, of course. Now I'm going to mark my holes. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side so I know where I want my hinges to go. and I'm going to add my hinges to this. This is my top piece to my sideboard. So I marked it, the top part of it that's attached to the side. Marked it where I have these flush. So that's how it's gonna look when it's closed, just like that. I've got my marks there, and I'm gonna make it a complete circle now. This is standing flush on there. So while I'm holding it, now I'm not good at this. I'm not the one that is the carpenter, the builder in the family. My brother is really good at this kind of stuff. So I'm just trying my hand at it. But I'm gonna put a screw in the middle. And I'm gonna put the screw over here in the middle. All right, got my hinges attached. I think I got it right this time. So that's what it would look like when it's closed. And here it is with it open. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my, my bottom to this one with the nails, and we're going to do the sides. All right, so I got my bracket on here. This is the bottom, and this is the side. And I think I'm going to take these brackets and put them on the bottom and attach it to the side as well. And then I'm going to put my screws in the side of my walls. So let me add my brackets. Here is the top of the table. I've got it sitting on its side, and I'm getting ready to add this piece, which is the side piece. And I want the top to lie down or to close flush, and I don't want it to be slanted. So I'm going to push my side piece up until the point of where it makes the top piece just straight across. Still going to give me some legs on the side, and I'm going to make sure that I keep it flush with the back and the front. So okay, I've got it together. That's how it looks. Standing on the sides. There's a back half here. Where the hinges are. So that's the table. It's a pretty nice sized table. Here's the finished product, and I have some designs on the top of the table. The tray is just something I sat down on the table, but the rest of it is attached to the table. The beading and so forth on the top is all attached to the table, and that's the design, the decor for the table. There is no paint and there is no stain. Thank you again for visiting my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next Monday.